Damn it. I think left is right, but let me, it showed us.
We're definitely not on the rim trail yet.
No. Or no? It's to the left, but do you want to hit the single track that goes this way, that loops us around, right?
We're trying to skid on the rim trail. It's just one way.
You just want to get to the rim trail, then we got to go left.
Left?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. We're doing the rim trail today. That's
Okay.
It's supposed to take us, you know.
Actually, either way takes us there. Like, honestly, if we go this way and stay on this, it ends up taking us onto the rim trail.
I just hate that we're taking all these trails, and if we're not on the right trail, we're kind of...
No, look. If we go this way, we come up, we make a left, we come to here, make a right, make a left, and we're on Donner Lake Rim Trail, Armstrong Loop.
Where are we right now?
Right here. So we can either...
Where's it say rim trail on your thing?
Right here.
Let's go left.
You just want to go left? It connects either way.
Yeah, let's go left.
Okay. It's just that this way kind of looks like it's our loop, but whatever. Oh, this looks like that goes and stays relatively flat because we're almost to the top.
I think this is better because it's like on the side. It was gonna get the views.
Let's get.
I feel like this is cooler to be on the left side.
Might be able to loop this down though, or I don't know. Let's just keep going. Ah! Donner Lake Rim Trail. Oh yeah. This will be a fun downhill. Shit. What the fuck? Go straight. This takes us on another loop. I mean, it'll go to the spot, but it's straight and left. Oh yeah. in the forest. In the forest. This is gonna be a great downhill. Holy shit. Oh God. Damn it. That's what I'm missing. I'm missing spikes on my pedal. That's why my foot keeps slipping. Dude, how the... I'm missing all kinds of spikes.